But what kind of refuge is this? Indians, refugees in their own country?
Just sign it on your end. Put it on.
यहाँ पर सब टेंटों का यही हाल है।
Like animals in the meadows.
As a brother,
nobody is taking care of ours.
You got tents
Our tents totally gone out of order.
In these squalid camps, some died of snake bites. The elders died of sunstroke. The others died of infections and diseases.
हम जब घर से निकले, अपने घर मकान छोड़ दिए, हमने सोचा कि हम कहीं भी चले जाएं तो हमारे सपोर्ट सभी हिंदू भाई करेंगे। लेकिन यहाँ आके ऐसे चला कि जैसे हम तन्हा में बैठे हुए हैं। ना तो हमें कोई पूछता है और सभी इस वक्त बोलते हैं कि बेहतर था वही गोली खाना, लेकिन यहाँ नहीं आना था।
We would like to draw the attention of the Indian masses as well as the world community to desist from giving any ex-party hearing in the Kashmir problem. The Kashmiri Hindu is necessarily a pertinent and aboriginal party to the Kashmir issue. From whatever angle this problem is addressed, the wishes, the interests and aspirations of this ethnic minority have to be ascertained and secured and enshrined in the Constitution of India. When internationally the bogey of repression in Kashmir is echoed in the World Forum, is there anyone to listen and look at what has become of this tribe of Kashmir, who have a strength of over 500,000 the world over? Is this how human rights are reckoned? Is this how the world's greatest and the largest democracy has turned a blind eye to over 1,000 murders of innocent, unarmed and helpless men, women and children which have taken place in the valley of Kashmir over the span of the last 1.5 years in the hands of this world-acclaimed, self-styled freedom fighters of Kashmir? Is this how the propriety of the citadels of human awakening and freedom respond to the complete exodus of the entire race? Kashmir belongs as much to Kashmiri Hindus as it belongs to the Kashmiri Muslims. Can the United States of America or any other civilized power, or for that matter, even Amnesty International, justify the barbaric uprooting of an entire race of people whose only fault is that they too are the sons of this soil of Kashmir?
जुलूस निकालते थे, हमारी बहू बेटियों को गालियां देते थे, इसीलिए हम वहाँ से भाग आए।
तो मैं उधर गली में निकली तो मैंने अपने भाई को वहाँ देखा नीचे गिरे हुए, तो मैंने उसको उठाया और बुलाया, सतेश सतेश, मगर वो कुछ नहीं बोला।
तो फर्स्ट जून को पोस्टर लगाए थे, फिर उन्होंने बोला कि आपने कोई मुसलमान नहीं आया था हमें बोलने के लिए। पोस्टर देके फिर पुलिस गई सिविल वारदी में देखने के लिए, तो वहाँ उन्होंने लिखा था उसमें कि हमने उनको मारा, जहलम में डाला हमने उसको, मगर हमें आज तक बॉडी का पता ही नहीं चला।
लाश तो हमें नहीं दे दी गई।
ये मतलब आपको पता चला?
मैंने प्रोटेस्ट किया डीएसपी को, उसने माना नहीं, उसने कहा मैं तो तहकीकात कर रहा हूँ।
हमारे बेटे को अनंतनाग के मेन पुल पर गोलियों से भून डाला।
फलाने सिंह अतर सिंह ना तो थोड़ा उन्हें आख्या उधर उठिए गए उठी ले बाड़ी तीन गोलियां देती तो उठा खत्म करिए।
एक आदमी घर आया, मम्मी को कहने लगा कि आपको कोई बुलाता है, वो डैडी बुलाता है बाहर, उसके साथ एक और मेहमान खड़ा है। मम्मी जब उधर गई तो वहाँ पर डैडी की लाश थी।
मेरा बड़ा बेटा था, 8 जुलाई को माँ के श्राद्ध पर आया था। 11 बजे रात को उसको बिस्तर से उठाकर ले गए और अगले दिन उसकी लाश हमें मिली।
These little children, they were told, the future of our country depends on you. We are now entering the 21st century, so be prepared. But what kind of 21st century is this, where these children are counting the days when they will go back to their homes and lead normal lives? But what is their future? Who will be responsible for their disturbed and dark careers ahead of them? Who will be responsible for the sense of frustration growing in each of them due to the hardships they are facing in their studies? In this open school, where the temperature is not less than 45 degrees in summer, one can only imagine their situation during the rains and in winter. How long do I have to consider this tent as my home? How long do I have to play with these ropes? How long do I have to suffer this punishment of being the child of an Indian? How long? Thank God you are not here in these camps and suffering like us. But if this has happened to us, then tomorrow it can happen to you. Because you also belong to this great secular democratic country called India. So, in the name of humanity, please think and do whatever little you can for us. Please.